Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Let me show you today a masjid that used to be a church once upon a time. This is somewhere near Istanbul. It's not exactly in the old Istanbul area, but this is somewhere near the airport, new airport, the IST Istanbul Airport, International Airport. This area is called Arnavutköy. Arnavut actually means Albania. So Köy means village. So this is an Albanian town. It has a legend and a history for the reason why it's called Arnavutköy or Albanian village. But let us go into this masjid and see what the way the layout of the masjid is, because it used to be a church once upon a time, and obviously the masjid walls and the direction is not towards the Qibla. So how the masajid, the churches that were converted into masjids later on, how are they laid out inside? Let's go and have a look. This is it called Arnavutköy Osmanlı Cami. It was actually constructed in 1595. Subhanallah. That's a the original layout of this church was 1595. So I've translated that placard, and it's estimated that this building was actually a Greek church built in 1595 and was converted into a mosque in 1991 by the Ottoman Mosque Association. Now it's called Arnavutköy Osmanlı Cami, and you can tell by these designs, this architecture, there's always a circle over here, and it's a rectangular shape, and these windows. This used to have a cross once upon a time. Obviously they removed the crosses from the windows and they have replaced it with normal windows, and of course they have put a minaret which is behind the mosque. I'm gonna show it to you in a while. And if you want more information about this mosque, you can scan this code, take a screenshot now and scan this code and go online and take all the information about the history of this mosque. This is where the minaret has been constructed, and the original building is just a square shaped building which used to be a church. Let's go inside and have a look. So this is all original design and structure. Metallic doors, very heavy. I wish I could show you. It must be at least about 100 kilos. And as you can see, the Qibla, the walls are like this, but the Qibla is on this direction. Of course, they have replaced it with chandeliers, which are trademark of the Ottoman Empire. The rest of the structure of the masjid is the same, or rather the church. You can see the ceiling, it's curved in the middle, curved. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.